Hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video about breakout trading strategy. Using this breakout trading strategy, you can make big money if you proper follow all the rules of this breakout trading strategy. In this video, we will talk about what's the breakout trading strategy and what's the breakout and which breakout is real and which breakout is actually fake out. After watching this video, you will trade like a pro and you can trade with full confidence. So guys, don't skip the video. Watch this video from start to end. Otherwise, you might not understand this breakout trading strategy. Before starting the video, let me tell you guys, if this strategy doesn't work for you or if you are not good in following risk management, so you can join our account management service. This is our Telegram channel and here you can see the complete history and performance of our account management service. And people are enjoying our account management service. Almost 2000 plus people voted us that we are trusted. So if you are also interested in our account management service, you can join our Telegram channel. So guys, first of all, let's discuss about breakout. A breakout happens when the price of a stock, crypto or any other asset close above a resistance level or below a support level. This shows that the market is ready to move in a new direction. It can be bullish direction or bearish direction. So guys, breakout can be a strong signal before a big price move. Look at this. The market was in a consolidation phase here. Then suddenly the price broke out from this level and after this breakout, the price made a strong move to the upside. You can see how powerful this breakout was. Same like that, the market was in a consolidation phase here. The price was moving in a tight range with no clear direction, but then suddenly the price broke down below this support level. And after this breakdown, the price dropped aggressively. It was a big bearish move, and you can see how sellers took full control after the breakout. Now, the question is that how will you find these types of breakouts in a live market? So guys, you don't need to find manually these type of breakouts. In this video, I am going to share with you one of the best trading view indicator which will help you to find these breakouts. As I told you, this indicator will help you to find the breakouts, but you have to learn about how to enter in a trade, where will be your stop loss and where will be your target point. So guys, the video is very important. Watch it carefully, and if you are new on the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. So guys, let's find our indicator. Open your trading view and click here on indicator and then search here range detector, and we have to choose range detector by Lux Algo. We have to change some settings, so click on the indicator and then click on this setting button, and then here the first option is minimum range length, and by default it is 20, but we have to change it to 25 or 30 for better results. So I am changing it to 25. So guys, the next option is range width. By default it is 1, but if we change it from 1 to 1.1, so you will be safe from many fake breakouts. So the third option is ATR length. ATR means average true range. By default it is set to 500, and that's mean market can move 500 points on bullish or bearish side. So guys, if ATR is 500 and market makes a range of 500 point, means to say that if market goes 500 points up and then down, then up, then down, so when market will break this 500 point range, then this breakout will be too much bigger. By default it is 500, but I am changing it to 300. Now we have done everything perfectly. So guys, this indicator will automatically draw the zones on the chart, and you just need to watch these zones carefully and just wait for the price to close the candle on above the zone or below the zone. If price close the candle on above the zone, you can open your buy trade and your stop loss will be below this zone, and you can set your take profit according to 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Don't forget to set your break even and once you set your break even, you can hold it until any previous swing low or swing high depending on the trade direction. Same like that for the selling setup, just wait for the price to close the candle below the zone. If price close the candle below the zone, you can open your sell trade here and your stop loss will be on above the zone. And guys, you can set your take profit for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or you can set your take profit on any previous swing low. So guys, now let's talk about some fake breakouts. So guys, if the price break the zone with wick and candle close again within the zone, so this will be a fake breakout. So guys, candle closure is must. Candle must should be closed on above the zone or below the zone. And guys, the other scenario is that if the price close the candle too much away from the zone, then don't enter aggressively. Let's suppose this is our zone and price close the candle too much away from the zone, then don't enter aggressively in this condition and wait for a pullback or retest and open your buy trade from the starting of this zone. If breakouts happens on a high impact news, don't enter in the trade. It will be a risky setup. I hope guys you are understood now. Don't forget to follow your risk management and practice this strategy on a demo account first before trading it on live account. Once you master it and you have better experience about valid breakouts and fake outs, then go for trading on live account. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.